It's a matter of privilege, and I'm super excited to present the results of 27th Annual Photographic Competition of Orange City Photographers Club, Nagpur. But before I do so, let me introduce our judges and the judging process. This competition was held under three categories: wildlife and nature, travel and street, festival and event. And the judging process was carried out in two rounds. In the first round, around 20% of the images submitted in this competition were shortlisted to enter the second round of judging. At the same time, these 20% of the shortlisted images qualified to be exhibited in a physical exhibition to be held between 17th to 20th of August 2023 at Darda Art Gallery, Nagpur. The shortlisted images then went to the second round of judges, and here around 15 images in each category were shortlisted as a finalist. A raw file of all these finalists were called upon, and upon verification and authentication, 7 winners in each category were decided. Our first round judges were Mr. Mangesh Todkar and Mr. Vinod Khapekar for travel and street category. Mr. Pankaj Gupta and Mr. Rajan Gupta judged the festival and events category, and myself, Dr. Matrishwa Vyas and Mr. Chetan Joshi were judges for the nature and wildlife category. Our final round of judges were Dr. Akhtar Hussain from Bangalore, India, an artist par excellence. He judged the festival and events category. Travel and events category was judged by Mr. William Ferguson from London, United Kingdom. And for wildlife and nature, we had a very talented award-winning wildlife photographer, Mr. Varun Thakkar, as our judge, who comes from Nagpur, India. Let us now listen to one of our international judge, William Ferguson, what he has to say about this competition.
Hello everyone, my name is Will Ferguson, a photographer from London, England. It's been a great honour to be asked to judge on the OCPC Photography Competition 2023. I've had real fun going through all the really amazing and creative images submitted this year, and I wish everyone the best of luck.
And now it's a time to reveal the final judgment.